Introducing the EZCHAIR base. To fold the chair, simply push down on the lever and push down on the backrest. To unfold, simply lift on the backrest. The EZCHAIR comes with a 24 volt 12 amp hour lithium battery, weighs around 29 kilograms, can carry someone up to 120 kilograms, range is around 20 to 25 kilometers, charge time 6 hours. The EZCHAIRs come with automatic brakes as standard, so therefore if you want to push the scooter, the brakes need to be disengaged, and if you want to drive, you need to engage both brakes. Once your brakes are engaged, to switch on the unit, simply press the on button. So you've got the on button, you've got your battery indicator, starts off with the red, orange, green, the lights go off one by one as the battery dies. Got a little built-in hooter, and then this is where you adjust your speed. Faster, slower, so the more lights, the faster. To drive, simply point the joystick in the direction you would like to move. To lift up the armrest, simply press the silver button on the side, and then underneath your joystick you will find the charging socket.